If you have a Calendly meeting coming up and you're not sure how to join it, this video will walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, simple, and once you know where to look, you can join your call in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open your Calendly booking confirmation email or your calendar invitation. This is usually the message you received right after scheduling the meeting. In that email or calendar event, look for the details related to your upcoming call. Calendly typically includes the meeting time, the date, and a link that will take you directly to the session when it's time to join. Once you've opened the email or invitation, find the scheduled call inside the message. If you have more than one calendar event or several emails in your inbox, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't join the wrong meeting. It can help to double check the name of the host, the time of the call, and any additional notes included in the invitation. After you've located the right scheduled call, look for the join meeting link. This is the most important part because this is what connects you to the actual call. Depending on how the meeting was set up, the link may say join meeting, join call, or something similar. Click that link when it's time for your meeting to begin. If the meeting hasn't started yet, you may be taken to a waiting page until the host opens the session. Next, Calendly will usually redirect you to the connected meeting platform. This could be Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, depending on what the host linked to their Calendly event. If Zoom is being used, you may be prompted to open the Zoom app or continue in your browser. If it's Google Meet, your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone and camera, and if it's Microsoft Teams, you may need to sign in or join as a guest before entering the meeting. Before you fully join, make sure your microphone and camera are set the way you want them. It's always a good idea to test your audio first, especially if this is a work meeting, interview, or client call. Check that your correct device is selected, your volume is turned up, and your camera is working if video is required. Taking a few seconds to review those settings can save you from technical issues once the call starts. If the platform asks you to enter your name, type it clearly so the host can identify you right away. If you're joining from a browser, follow the on-screen prompts and allow any required permissions. If you're using the app version of Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams, make sure the app is installed and updated ahead of time for a smoother experience. Once everything is ready, click the final join button to enter the meeting. At that point, you should be connected to the Calendly call and ready to speak with the host or the rest of the attendees. If you arrive a little early, you may need to wait until the meeting starts, so don't worry if you see a waiting screen for a moment. And that's really all there is to it. To recap, open your Calendly email or calendar invite, find your scheduled call, click the join meeting link, and then join through the connected platform like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. It's a very straightforward process once you know where to click. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.